Hello dear friends at LABSI. Unfortunately, I couldn't make it to Asunción. However, the power of technology enables me to be part of this great event. I would like to tell you the reasons why Raquel and I have chosen to work with poetry in our classes. During some time, we have searched for a way to inspire our students, and we found that in poetry. Poetry provides the capacity to inspire our students and to engage them not only on an intellectual level, but also at an emotional one. Any such connection is likely to render it much more motivating as a language learning tool. Poetry can actually enhance student skills since it provides them an invigorating workout. Poetry inspires students to read more, imagine more, think more, discuss more, and write more. Poetry massages the heart and cares for the soul, and helps students in the preparation for life's toughest questions. So, what are the costs of including poetry in every child's education? What damage is done to children's well-being who are denied poetry? Can one be a full human being without poetry? If you are intrigued with the idea of incorporating poetry into your classroom, but are not sure how to go about it, my friend Raquel will show you some valuable tips. Over to you, Raquel. Thank you so much.